Now, so the first part he says that in part A, the same problem, 5.5, he says that the ball goes, hits the wall and returns back. So only we have x-axis. So x-axis, what is that? An x-axis, px, pi is equal to m into u. This is m into u, and this is minus u. So pf equal to what? Minus mu. And vertical for y-axis, nothing is there. There is no y-axis, y component. So y-axis initially is 0 and final is also 0. Okay, so therefore only we have change in momentum. Pf minus pi equal to what? Minus mu minus mu. That is equal to minus 2 mu. So the ratio is what? Minus 2 mu divided by 2 into mu cos 30. Okay, so that is equal to how much? This and this will go away. Answer is minus final minus initial, right? Okay. Minus 2 mu divided by minus 2 mu cos theta. Minus and minus will go away. Answer is 1 by root 3 by 2. So answer is 2 by root 3. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the ratio. Now next question. So there is a rope. This is important. See example 5.6. This type of questions can come in entrance exam also. So the question is like there is a rope. It's a 2-meter rope. Okay. Now the rope is this way, T1 and T2. So this is T1 and this is T2. This angle is theta. Angle is theta and this is 50 newtons. 50 newtons. Now P is the point, W is the weight. P is the point, W is the weight, which is equal to how much? 60 newtons. Which is 60 newtons. 1 meter and 1 meter. This is 1 meter. This is also 1 meter. Now, so here what happens here? 60 newtons is acting downwards and T2 is acting upwards. Upward force equal to downward force. So what is the value? T2 equal to 60 newtons. Next one. Is it clear? First we did the first part. This is free body diagram for the first part. Upward force equal to downward force. Now we will resolve this into components. What are the components now? See here. For this force, there are two components. T1, this one will become T1 cos 30, cos theta. T2, T1 cos sin 30, sin theta, sorry. So now we will equate horizontal and vertical forces. So when I equate the horizontal forces, T1 sin theta equal to 50 newtons. For vertical forces, see, this force equal to this force. This force equal to this force. This force equal to this force. Now what will happen now? So T1 cos theta equal to 60 newtons. Now divide one over the other. T1 sin theta divided by T1 cos theta, which is equal to how much? 50 on 60. Tan theta equal to how much? 5 by 6. Theta equal to tan inverse of 5 by 6. So tan inverse of 5 by 6 is coming somewhere around 40 degrees. Okay, this you have to use the the Clark table. From there you can find out the natural sin and natural tan values. Okay, clear with you all? Is this clear? Girls.
Sir, can you explain again?
See here, this is a 2-meter rope. 1 meter and 1 meter. At the center, we are applying 50 newtons force. So the shape will become like this. Now, there is a weight of some 6 kg acting downwards. 6 into 10 will become 60 newtons. This weight is acting downwards, tension is acting upwards. 60 newtons and T2 equal to 60. Coming to this one, so there are two forces acting. This is T1 cos 30, T1 sin 30. T1 sin theta equal to 50, T1 cos theta equal to 60. We wrote two equations. Divide one over the other. So sin by cos will become tan. So answer is theta equal to tan inverse of 5 by 6. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Note down this. So determine the maximum acceleration of the train in which a box lying on its floor will remain stationary given that the coefficient of static friction between the box and the train's floor is 0.15. Example 5.7. Suppose this is a train compartment. There is a box lying on the floor of the train. The train is moving with an acceleration A. Here, so what happens here? Weight W equal to mg is acting down. Normal reaction is acting upwards. Normal reaction is acting upwards. Now, it's asking what should be there's a frictional force which is acting here. That is the frictional force. So here, upward force equal to downward force, N equal to mg. So, if you are applying more acceleration, the box will start moving backward or forward. Something will happen. So the frictional force will be, if the applied force is greater than the frictional force, the box starts moving. So, so we have force F equal to, for horizontal force F equal to ma. So what we are doing now? And small f is equal to what? And we have small f is equal to mu times of n. So F equal to ma. So we are equating both the forces. Mu times of n equal to what? ma. So mu times of what is n? mg equal to ma. So he has given the coefficient of static friction. Mu equal to how much? 0.15. So here and this will go away. A equal to mu times of g. A equal to 0.15 into 10. So A equal to how much? 1.5 meters per second square. Clear? So once again, see, this is the compartment of the train. A box is lying on the floor of the compartment. So it's asking what should be the maximum acceleration for which the box should not move. The box should remain stationary. So applied force, see, this is a normal weight and normal reaction. There's no vertical movement. Horizontal movement, F is equal to ma, and F is equal to mu times of n. Equal both of them, cancel the terms, and we get A equal to mu times of g. We get the answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, going for the next question. After that, you can copy. Next question is. So the next question is here. A block of 4 kg. Example 5.8. Example 5.8. A block of mass 4 kg rests on a horizontal plane. The plane is gradually inclined until an angle of 15 degrees. 15 degrees. With the horizontal, the mass just begins to slide. What is the coefficient of static friction between the block and the surface? Now, here weight is acting downwards. mg is acting downwards, and normal reaction is acting upwards. So this is the frictional force Fs. So, and here we have two components. What are they? So this is theta, mg cos theta. This is mg sin theta. Mg cos theta and mg sin theta. So here what will happen now? Upward force equal to downward force. Vertical forces, N will be equal to mg cos theta, and horizontal force Fs is equal to mg sin theta. Fs equal to mg sin theta. But what is Fs? Fs is mu times of n. Mu times of n is equal to mg sin theta. But what is n again? N is mg cos theta, which is equal to mg sin theta. So mg will go away. Cos theta by sin theta by cos theta equal to mu. Equal to mu. Implies tan theta equal to mu. Implies theta equal to what? Tan inverse of mu. But what is mu? Mu is 0. What we have to find out? Here, angle is given to us. Sorry. So we will do directly. Mu equal to tan 15. Tan 15 is 2 minus root 3. So that will come around 0.27. Math students, I think you know tan 15 how to do. So tan 15, how will we do? Use the compound angle formula. Tan 45 minus 50. 30.
We didn't start trigger and we'll start next.
Tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. This is the formula we use. Understood? This is the formula you use. So by that we can get 2 minus root 3, that is 0.27. Clear? Please ask me if you have any doubts. Next question is, what is the acceleration of the block and the trolley system shown in the figure if the coefficient of kinetic friction between the trolley and the fixed surface is 0.04? Mu k equal to 0.04. Now, what is the tension in the spring? Neglect the mass. So there is a system like this. So these are the wheels. Now, so here T is the tension. This is 30 newtons. So 3 kg. And W is the weight. This is 20 kg. T is the tension. And F is the frictional force. Fk is the frictional force. So here weight is acting downwards. So that is 30 newtons. T is the tension. And coming to this one. So first we'll speak about this. T equal to 30 newton directly. This is direct question. Coming to this one. This body 30 kg. See here. The vertical downward force is mg. 3 into 30 into 10 will become 300. This is the normal reaction. This is the tension. This is the frictional force. And this is the acceleration. A is the acceleration. Now we will see vertical forces. What are vertical forces? N will be equal to 300. Horizontal forces, T minus F equal to MA, 30 into A. So T minus mu times of N is equal to 30 into A. So T equal to what? T equal to already. T is the tension, 30. N equal to what? Mg. T minus mu times of Mg equal to 30 into A. So now T is 30 minus mu is 0.04 times of M. M is 20 into gravity is 10 equal to 30 into A. So solve it. Once you solve it, you get how much? So the first one, what did we get here? Yeah, that is 30 minus T equal to MA. Why did we take T before? Because acceleration is acting in the direction of tension. So that is why we took T minus F equal to 30. So when we solve it, A equal to 0.96 meter per second square. This is the acceleration. And T is equal to 27. Capital T is equal to 27.1 Newton. Just substitute A value there. No. We have to find out tension also, right? What did we get here? Tension T equal to 30. This is the vertical. One second. Sorry. So there is acceleration here downwards. So we have to write here. The first one, acceleration is downwards. 30 minus T equal to MA. What is this? 3A. This is equation number 1. And this is equation number 2. We'll write T here. T minus this value. So T minus 8 is equal to 20A, and 30 minus T is equal to 3A. This and this will go away. 20 is 22 equal to 23A. A is equal to 22 by 23. 22 by 23, it is equal to 0.96 meter per second square. And the tension T is equal to how much? Tension T is equal to 20A plus 8. T is equal to 20 into 0.96 plus 8. T is equal to 27.1 newtons. See once again from the beginning. See here, this is a block which is connected with a string passed over the pulley, and the other end there is one more mass. This is 3 kg. This is 20 kg. Here, weight is acting downwards, tension is acting upwards. So this is the acceleration. Acceleration is acting downwards. So what do? Downward force minus upward force is equal to resultant force. 30 minus T is equal to 3A. Okay. So now, so that is what now? So T minus F is equal to what? T minus F is equal to MA. So N is equal to 300. T minus F is equal to 30A. T minus mu times of N is equal to 30A. T minus mu times of mg is equal to 30A. T is equal to T minus 0.04 into 20 into 10 is equal to 30A. So when we calculate acceleration, 0.96. T minus 8 is equal to 20A. So we are taking this equation and we are taking the other equation. When we solve it, we get acceleration. Solve it, substitute that value, we'll get the answer. Clear with you, girls?
So what is that 30 newtons?
30 Newton, 3 kg, right? 3 into 10 will become 30, right? That's
No, sir. What does it represent? The mg thing?
The weight of the body.
Acceleration is in the direction of the weight.
Yeah. Acceleration is the direction of the weight. So 30 minus T. So that is why we took 30 minus T. Wherever the acceleration is acting, that force is taken first. We could have taken T minus 30, but we are taking 30 minus T. Reason? Acceleration is acting along 30. So 30 minus T is equal to 3A. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you say how you got 3A?
How did we get 8?
3A.
3A.
Mm.
See, 3A means resultant force. What is resultant force? Applied force minus that is applied force minus frictional force is equal to resultant force. 30 minus T is equal to MA. MA is 3. A is here. 3A. Got it? See, 3 into A, 3A. Got it? MA.
Oh,
See, understood now? So 30 minus T is equal to MA. This is the one. M is 3, A is acceleration. Got it?
yes.
Okay.
Sir, and 30 kg, that one, what is it? 300? How do we get the
300.
downward?
Here,
Yes,
this one.
yes.
So this is 30 into 10 will become 300, right? We have right 9.8.
Okay, we found the mg value.
Mg, this is mg. Weight acting downwards, mg. Got it?
Okay.
30 into 10 will become 300. Clear?
Sir, I have a doubt.
So
Yeah,
how
tell
do we
me.
get 30 kg?
How do we get?
30 kg for the second diagram, the body. How is it 30 kg?
No, sorry, 3 kg that is. Sorry. No. 1 second, I made a mistake over. This is here. This is 3 kg, right? This will become 30 newtons. Here also, this one. But I didn't use right anyway, 300. No. Applied force T minus F equal to 3 into A. T minus F is equal to 3 into A. So sorry, I have to write 3 into A. This also should be 3 into A. Sorry, I didn't notice that. This is 3, not 30. This is 3 kg. So therefore, 3 into 10 will become 30. Is it clear now?
Yes.
So how did T get cancelled?
How did T get cancelled? Positive T, negative T will get cancelled. We are adding both of them. Clear with you? Once again, from the beginning you see. First, we'll focus on this one. Here, this is acceleration. So 30 minus t is equal to mn. 30 minus t is equal to mn. Second one. This minus this is equal to mn. T minus f is equal to 20a. T minus f is equal to 20a. F is equal to mu times of n. N is equal to mg. That is 20a. Mu is 0.04. M is 20 and g is 10. That is equal to 20a. So when we simplify this, we get t minus 8 equal to almost 20 and 30 minus t is equal to 3. Take it together, t and t will go away. When you simplify this, 22 is equal to 23. Cross multiply, we'll get 0.96. Now, what is t? T is equal to 20a. This minus will go the other end, becomes plus a. So t is equal to 20 into 0.96 plus a. So that will become 27.1. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Can I go ahead with the next problem? Done. Can I go to the next question now? Can I go to the next question, girls?
Yes, sir.
Now see here, a circular racetrack of radius of 5.11. Example. A circular racetrack of radius 300 meters is banked. 300 meters is banked at angle theta equal to 15 degrees. Now, if the coefficient of friction between the wheel of a race car and the road may be equal to how much? 0.2. What is the optimum speed of the race car to avoid wear and tear of the tires? Wear and tear of the tires. Second one, maximum permissible speed. So the formula without friction, wear and tear, without wear and tear means without friction, without wear and tear. So V is equal to how much? Under root of RG tan theta. 300 into 9.8 into 10-15 degrees. 28.1 meters per second. Now second one is V, second part is V max equal to under root of RG into mu plus tan theta. Mu plus tan theta divided by 1 minus mu tan theta. This is with friction. Okay, second part is maximum permissible speed to avoid slipping. To avoid slipping means there should be some friction between the tire and the road. So RG into mu plus tan theta by 1 minus mu tan theta. Substitute all the values now. So V maximum equal to under root of R 300 into 9.